Hi there, welcome to my channel. I want to review this keyboard vacuum cleaner. I had got this at Five Below. I think I got it maybe a week or two ago. Sorry for a late video on it. As you can see, it was $4, and I'll show you how you can use it. Here's one of the attachments that it did come with. And it also has a cord, which is right here. Here's the actual cleaner. It has a cord. You plug it into a USB outlet, which mine is on the side of my laptop. Right now I got it halfway in there, because if I push all the way in, it's going to make noise from the cleaner. So I'll show you what it does. I'll plug her up. Just a second. Well, here, let me move the attachment off. Okay, that's how loud it is. It also has a light on the bottom of it. So yeah, it has this is attachment to right here, this little brush. It comes off. See? Sorry, hold on. Okay, sorry, I'm back. I had to put the attachment back on. Sorry, it's kind of loud. But yeah, what you can do is you just run it across your keyboard, and like, I've already done this with mine, so it's supposed to pick up the little things that's in your keyboard and clean it. And you can just run it across like that. Mine's pretty clean because I already tried it when I first got it. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off for a second. Sorry, it's kind of loud. But yeah, this is another attachment I showed you earlier. This, like I said, you can pop that off and use this one if you wanted to. And again, in case you missed it, this is a little light that comes on when you plug it into your USB to make it work. There's no batteries needed for this. Like I said, I bought it at Five Below, $4. If you're interested, that's where you can find it, at your local Five Below. So if you like this video, please give me a like, comment, subscribe. Thanks. Bye.